It's time for part 2 of the K5 rebuild. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and take off this exhaust manifold. There's 2, 4, 6 bolts, and same thing on the other side. So we'll go ahead and do that. Now we'll do the next step. So as you can see, I have all the bolts out there and it's loose. You can see it moving around, and when I put the new block in, there'll be enough room to slide in. When this it doesn't have that much room, but you can see it wiggling around there. Now the other side. So all the bolts are off this side too, and as you can see, it's really loose, and you can see into the block there a little bit. Yeah. Anyways, all right. So exhaust manifolds are loose. Here are the heat shields. I only have 3, one fell off, I guess. There's all the bolts, and as you can see, there's no more bolts in there or there, and now we have a good gap, so the engine will go out easily. On to the next step. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and take off this oil pressure gauge in the back, as well as right here, right there. You can see is the temperature sensor. So this little wire slips into there, and just have to take it out of the block. Water might pour out, but since I have a blown head gasket, there's not a lot of water. The important thing is to use a deep dish socket so you don't break off this little terminal here. So let's go ahead and take those off. So there's the water temperature sensor. This one has a little extra connector there for some electronic stuff. Really, I only need this one, so I'll probably buy a new one and get a really simple one. Here's the simplified one with just the wired connector on it, and that's the one I'll probably buy for the truck. Alright, well, top of the engine now, and most of the things on the side have been taken off. The next major step here in the next video will be to remove the starter down there. As well, we're going to drain the oil and probably drain the radiator too. There's probably not much water in there, but it looks bone dry. But we'll drain it anyways, so because in the next video, yeah, or even after that, we'll be removing all this stuff on the front. Harmonic balancer, fans, the radiator, all that stuff. That's the big project. So we'll see you then.